He's on a mission. Patty's got a brand new boat. Gonna take us on fishing. His first mate is Sue. She'll be welcoming you aboard the brand new boat. Now Patty's steering. Patty's got a brand new boat, and we're all cheering. He's gonna take us fishing for a slight commission. Oh, all aboard! Ahoy there, matey! SpongeBob SquarePants. Woo. Oh, Patty's got a boat. Patty's got a brand new boat. Gonna take us on fishing. His first mate is Sue. She'll be welcoming you aboard this brand new boat. But something's missing, a name for this here boat. And with your permission, I would name it Sue, cause she thinks the world of you. Come on, Patty. Get up there. Giddy up this boat. And fish is waiting. Ahoy there, matey. Patty's got a boat. He's on a mission. Patty's got a brand new boat. Gonna take us on fishing. His first mate is Sue. She'll be welcoming you on Patty's brand new boat. Look out, fish. Here comes Patty and Sue and Lindsay and Bill and Rebecca and Jason and the piano dude.
Hey, you landlubbers, hop on board.
Ahoy, matey. Here we go.